Hello, I'm your Michael Jackson, and I just came to life using FineVoice AI. You can also turn any image to talking video in less than 60 seconds.
Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Let's go ahead and explore FineVoice today. First, open FineVoice AI and click on AI Talking Photo Generator. Upload any clear front-facing photo. This works best for realistic results. Now type what you want your photo to say. We start by generating the voice, and once the voice is generated, you synchronize it with the image by uploading it. And it's simple. Boom, your photo is now talking.
Hello, I'm your Michael Jackson, and I just came to life. Using FineVoice AI in second.
You can upload your own voice here. Also, you can record your voice here. It's super amazing and so handy. I love using this tool. Now let's discuss some other use cases where the tool can be used. You can create entire stories using talking characters.
Let me tell you a story. Something you expected happened few years ago in a stormy night.
You can make boring lessons fun by turning images into talking teachers.
Hello students, today we're going to learn something amazing. And trust me, this will help you a lot.
This is super fun for pranks and sharing with your friends.
Why did you make me talk like this?
You can use it for marketing, ads.
Buy these shoes, because your old ones are embarrassing you.
This is perfect for viral content. You can literally turn any photo into talking meme.
Stop scrolling. I'm just a photo, but I can talk like you.
I love this, and I have used this for so many of my videos, and I would urge you to also use that and see how it works for you. They have amazing packages going on. Just go to the website and check and see whatever suits you. Bye.
终于把我们锁在一起。